A senior bureaucrat locked out of his own office in the Delhi Secretariat. A chief minister publicly questioning the integrity of his acting chief secretary. Or a district magistrate being warned for being inappropriately dressed while receiving the Prime Minister. Are bureaucrats increasingly coming under attack from the political class for not towing their line? That's the big story tonight.
Caught in the crossfire between the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung, Delhi's acting Chief Secretary Shakuntala Gamblin, attending a meeting at the Home Ministry. In the backdrop, the drama between the two warring factions in this saga continued. After the LG said the Chief Minister's removal of Principal Secretary Anindo Majumdar for appointing Gamblin as acting Chief Secretary was null and void, the Delhi government locked his office, preventing him from going about his business. We come to you from outside the Services Department on the 7th floor in the Delhi Secretariat, which has been in news for all the wrong reasons since morning. Now this morning, when one of the principal secretaries here, so it's still debated whether or not he's there, but Mr. Majumdar came into office and realized that this door, which leads directly to his office inside, was locked. Hours later, the LG also declared the appointment of Rajinder Kumar by the Delhi government in place of Anindo Majumdar illegal. The war is now over legalities. In his letter to the Chief Minister, the LG has said Rajinder Kumar's appointment was against the rules and procedures, as it did not have the LG's approval. Sources close to CM cite constitutional rules that say allocation of work of officers in Delhi is a prerogative of the Council of Ministers, and the LG sanction is not required. Naturally, the opposition too has views on this.
उसको निश्चित रूप से लागू करना चाहिए. अगर लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर मुखिया हैं, वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, उनको अपना काम करने देना चाहिए. संविधान की जो व्यवस्थाएं हैं, संविधान के जो ले डाउन प्रोसीजर्स हैं, उन प्रोसीजर्स को उनको फॉलो करना चाहिए, और वो उन प्रोसीजर्स को फॉलो करते नहीं.
What we see in Delhi is a mockery of the cooperative federalism in Delhi. A chief minister who is an elected chief minister does not consulted, or his opinion is totally not taken into account when appointing a chief secretary.
Call it tutu meme, call it the game of one-upmanship, or call it the good old ego tussle. The latest controversy involving Arvind Kejriwal and his hardly 100-day-old government highlights the problem of Delhi's partial statehoodship. And from the looks of it, the battle and the conflict is far from over. In New Delhi with camera person Shruti and Sudhirandan Sen, I'm Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.